Dum 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 ding ding dum. In a bright and happy car city lived a funny little car named Tinku. Tinku. Good morning wheels, good morning road. Today feels super duper fun. Greeting kids! Hi Tinku! Hello my tiny passengers. Seatbelts on, smiles ready? Yes, Tinku! Yes, Tinku! Hey, you, Tinku.
Ready, steady, slow and safe.
Safety makes every ride happy. Bye, Tinku. Learn well, my friends. Beep, beep. And Tink the talking car lived happily, driving safely every day. Beep, 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 slow and sweet. Tinku makes every ride a treat. Bye-bye, Red Car. See you tomorrow.
Have a great day, kids. You make me so proud. What a wonderful day.